7 European Union countries, Austria, Germany, Slovenia, Greece, Iceland, Ireland and Spain, as well as Switzerland, have cleared the Serum Institute of India's Covishield amid travel pass row, sources have said. The European Medicines Agency, or EMA, the EU's top medical body, has approved only 4 vaccines so far: Pfizer-BioNTech's Comirnaty, US pharma giant Moderna's COVID vaccine, AstraZeneca shot manufactured and sold in Europe as Vaxzevria, and Johnson & Johnson's Janssen. Only those who have been given these shots are granted vaccination passports and allowed to travel hassle-free amid the pandemic. Now, some of the EU member states have extended the vaccine certificate to Covishield as well. Elections every few years to change the ruler need not be a guarantee against tyranny of those elected, Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said at a function in New Delhi on Wednesday. The CJI underscored that criticisms and voicing of protests is integral to the democratic process, and any law backed by a sovereign must be tempered by tenets of justice. The Delhi High Court on Thursday directed the Delhi police to ensure protection of a 29-year-old woman who alleged she was being threatened and harassed by the Uttar Pradesh police, certain media organizations, and vigilante groups for converting to Islam. The vacation bench, Justice C. Hari Shankar, while directing listing of the woman's case before a roster bench on July 5, directed the police to take adequate steps to protect her life and safety till the matter is taken up by the regular bench. The Bombay High Court on Thursday upheld the conviction of Rauf Merchant in the murder case of Gulshan Kumar, founder of T-Series. Rauf Merchant, an aide of gangster Dawood Ibrahim, was sentenced to a life-term imprisonment in 2002 for the murder of the music mogul in 1997. Taking note of Rauf Merchant's criminal background, the bench of Justice Sadhana S. Jadhav and Justice N.R. Borkar clarified that he will not be entitled to any remission in his prison term. A National Investigation Agency court on Thursday discharged Assam MLA Akhil Gogoi in the only pending UAPA and sedition case against him. He is clear of all charges and likely to walk out of jail soon, his lawyer said. Gogoi had been under arrest since December 2019 for his alleged role in the anti-CAA protests in Assam.